All right, I am super excited. This has taken longer than I expected, but I have a big announcement, and that is the Design Business Kit is officially complete, ready to be purchased. And I know there's been a ton of people signing up for the early bird special. If you sign up for the early bird special, you're gonna get an email about that, getting that early bird discount. If you haven't, the opportunity still stands to jump in, get the Design Business Kit, and really take your design business to the next level. There's so many things that I found when I was getting my business started that I wasn't prepared for. I'll tell you a quick story. So I was sitting at a coffee shop one day and my phone begins to ring. It's one of my clients. I pick it up and he's asking, hey, did you receive that email that I sent you about the design revisions that I wanted? And I said, oh yeah, of course, I'm looking at the email right here. When truly, I had no idea what he was talking about. I didn't know what email he sent it to, if he sent it on Facebook Messenger or he sent it on Instagram. That's the thing with clients, is they're always saying, oh, I did this, but they really did something else. And so I realized at that point, I needed to make a change. I needed to really create a system for my business in order to maximize the use of my time, as well as being able to teach people how to work within my business. If I wanted to hire somebody, that would have been a nightmare. I would have been trying to shuffle emails and Facebook messages and just all this stuff. And I would have had no true basis of administrative foundation. And so I thought, this has to change. There has to be something else I can do to make this a better system. And so I went on a pursuit of really trying to fine tune my graphic design business for thousands of hours, I will say. And I became frustrated because I couldn't quite get a system that I really enjoyed. You know about project management tools. There's tools like Asana, Monday.com, Teamwork. There's all these amazing tools. What I found personally as a graphic designer, they were so robust and so cumbersome. I didn't want to take the time, nor did I need all of the robust resources that they provided. I simply needed to track my projects, easily indicate to hiring new contractors on how to work within my project management system. So I didn't want to be super cumbersome. I wanted them to be easily accessible. And it wasn't working. None of those products were working. They were expensive. Yearly expense was hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And so I knew I needed to make a change. And that's where I stumbled upon Google Sheets at an agency job I took when I realized I wasn't getting anywhere. I needed some experience. I needed to learn what other people were doing. So I took an agency job. I learned about Google Sheets and the magic of that. That's where I would build the project management system of my business from the ground up using a free platform, Google Sheets. And that is the basis of what allowed me to really grow my business and bring in other contractors and people to help me. So that is what we're talking about when we talk about the Design Business Kit, is those administrative details, those automated details, the organizational structure, and the agreement. So signing contracts with your clients to make sure you don't get stiffed on design jobs. I mean, raise your hand if you've ever been stiffed on a design job. I definitely have, and it's really frustrating. And it can be also very scary because you're out of that money that you thought you had to pay your next, bill, and it's not there anymore. So really all this, I say, is wrapped up in the Design Business Kit. If that interests you, if you're wanting to double down, grow your business, and get some good administrative structure so you can grow and scale, then this is for you. I created this for graphic designers specifically because I knew there needed to be something that was very fine-tuned to what we do as designers. There's a lot of project management systems out there, and they don't specifically focus on us. And so why not create a product that is specifically for us as graphic designers? If you know much about the channel, you know I'm all about helping you grow your business or get started as a graphic designer. And so I really appreciate you being here. Share this out. If you know anybody who's wanting to start a graphic design business or anybody who is interested in becoming a graphic designer, this channel is a great resource and opportunity for them. Click the link below if you're interested in checking out more about the course. You can also download the Design Business Checklist, something I've made to see if your business is on the right track to being successful and well-structured for scalability. I'm Benji Kaiser. I'm going to leave this video here, but I'd love to see you on more videos. Subscribe if you've loved this video. Smash down on that like button if you found some value, and I'll see you on the next one.